Hi my respected friends, as you can see the title, how to select the pattern for upcoming Mahzooz draw, which is drawing on 11th February 2023. These are some past results of Mahzooz whenever 4 or 5 numbers came from 1 to 19. After that, Mahzooz are playing very smartly. After this video, you will be able to make your perfect number for your selection, so please look it carefully. Don't skip any part of this video. Total 6 times the numbers came 4 or 5 from 1 to 19. First time 4th June 2022, then second time 2nd July, then 6th August, 3rd September, 24th December 2022, and now it is our previous result which was drawn on 4th February 2023. Now let's see how Mahzooz apply his pattern for the next draw. First time all 5 numbers was came from 1 to 19. After that you can see no number they picked from 10 to 19. 6, 22, 23, 39 and 48. They picked nothing from 10 to 19. And one number, confirmed number from 40 to 49, you can see here. But in second time, when the maximum numbers came from 1 to 19, after that they picked 2 numbers from 10 to 19 and one number from 40 to 49. In next when this thing was happened, they came with the same sequence. No number came from 10 to 19. You can see 2, 7, 21, 36 and 43. One number from 40 to 49 and no number from 10 to 19. Same 4 times you can see 2 numbers they picked from again 10 to 19, 14 and 15, and one number from 40 to 49. In fifth time again they came with the same sequence, same pattern. No number came from 10 to 19 and 2 numbers from 40 to 49. 3, 22, 31, 41 and 49. That's why I am telling you before, Mahzooz are playing very smartly. After that when the numbers, maximum numbers was came from 1 to 19. This is the previous result of Mahzooz. The all 5 numbers you can see has come from 1 to 19. Now according to this sequence, you should select 2 numbers from 10 to 19. And one number from 40 to 49. And one number from 20 to 29. And remaining one number from 30 to 39. Friends, this is the powerful pattern for the upcoming draw. If you have powerful numbers, then you should select your numbers according to this pattern. This pattern can make you a jackpot winner. Or if you want to select one number from 1 to 9, then you can skip the one series from these 2 series, 20 to 29 or from 30 to 39. You can skip any one serial from here and add one number from 1 to 9. But according to the past history, this is the best pattern. Okay friends, I have powerful numbers from these series. In my next video, Mahzooz draw prediction. So wait for it. Good luck and goodbye.